few days ago, I used to think like this language, I could never speak this language, and this I believe that this language is only for native speakers and who are learning and English medium students. This language is only for them. That kind of I used to think in my beginning days. And guys, I used to think like, can I speak this language, and if I learn this language, how and where I have to start learning this language. That kind of lots of doubts in my mind, but trust me guys, I didn't give up. Every day I kept practicing, and day by day I learned something new. I learned my mistakes. That kind of work I used to do. Okay, so in this video I want to share with you my English learning journey. So this video is very helpful for you, so guys watch this video till the end. And if you new on my YouTube channel, this is my humble request to you, please guys subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Okay, so and guys, if you are also learning this language and sometimes you feel like it's impossible and I can't learn this language, and sometimes you feel like I have to I should leave these things, I can't do these things. So guys, this video is especially for you, because in this video I will share with you my English learning journey. So what I used to do and what I did to learn this language, everything I will share with you. Okay, so watch this video till the end. And please guys, if you are new here, so please subscribe my new YouTube channel, and this video you have to share with your all friends. Okay, so without saying it, let's begin. Okay, so in my beginning days, I was very confused, like where we have to start learning this language, and first what should I have to do, and what should I avoid, what should I do. That kind of I used to think in my beginning days. Okay, and one day I thought like, first I started with grammar, and I started learning this language with grammar. First I learned English grammar, basic English grammar rules, like 1 month. That kind of I did work. And guys, after some days I realized only grammar alone, grammar is not enough to learn this language. And after that I started watching. After that guys, I thought I should focus on listening and speaking too. This is important skills for me. That kind of I thought, and I started watching English podcast. Every day I used to watch English podcast, and after that I try to speak front a mirror. That kind of work I used to do in my beginning days. First what I did, first I focused on grammar, and after that I realized like only grammar is not enough. So after that I focus on listening and speaking. Okay, I watched English podcast daily, and after that I try to speak. That kind of work I did. And guys, day by day I did that kind of work. So day by day my English improved, and day by day my English is improved, and now you can say I can speak this language very confidently. Yeah, now I don't know much, I don't have much grammar rules and much advanced vocabulary, advanced word. Now I don't have it, still I can speak. Okay, these things you can see. Okay, so in this video I want to share with you guys, the next step is consistency. This is most important guys. Any work, if you want to do any work, consistency is the most important things, you know very well. Okay, I want to share with you guys, when I started learn this language, so 1 month and 2 months I stay consistent, and after that I leave it. After that guys, when I started speaking, when I started learning this language, so lots of problem I faced. So just I want to tell you guys, if you want to learn this language, so please consistency you will have to take. Stay consistent. This is very significant. Okay, so any work, and guys, first you have to take small steps. You know very well guys, small steps give you a better result after few days, right? So please first take small steps, but you will have to consistent. Okay, this is most important. So guys, we will meet in the next video, and please tell me in the comment box where I am making mistakes and what word I spoke here wrong. This is your responsibility. Please tell me in the comment box so that next video I will not do that kind of mistakes. Okay, I know guys, while speaking lots of mistakes now I am doing because I want to improve myself, and I am not cut any part in my video. That kind of now I am speaking same video I upload on my YouTube channel. So because guys, I want to improve myself, and I want, please tell me you in the comment box like where I am wrong and where I am right, what kind of now I am speaking and what kind of mistake now I am doing. So this is your responsibility. Please tell me in the comment box. Okay, so we will meet in the next video, and this is our day 3. Okay, we will meet day 4. Okay, so if you don't watch my first video and second video, so I will give you link in the comment, I will give you link in the description box, so please check out and watch that video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.